Last class already I discussed principle of continuity. What is the formula? A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Bernoulli's theorem. Bernoulli's theorem is equal to P plus rho GH plus half rho V square is equal to P2 plus rho GH2 plus half rho V2 square. Leda P plus rho GH plus half rho V square is equal to constant. P means pressure energy, rho GH means potential energy, and half rho V square means kinetic energy. Principle of continuity, conservation of, it indicates only conservation of mass. And Bernoulli's theory, it represents the conservation of energy. Okay, applications of Bernoulli's theorem. Venturi meter. Venturi meter. It is designed by G.B. Venturi. It determines the rate of flow of the liquid flowing through the pipe. It is based on Bernoulli's theorem. The tube ABC, A, C, B, the tube ACB, the Venturi meter consists of ACB tube. C, in the middle of C is narrow and it is connected to the long pipe. The area of cross section of this pipe AB is the same cross sectional area. Suppose PQ. It is the same cross sectional area. And in the middle of this C is very narrow. The area of cross section is, this one is A1 and this one is A2. When three capillary tubes are attached as shown in the figure. Take three capillary tubes. The three capillary tubes are in same length. When the liquid flowing through the pipe, the streamlines are in this direction. The pressure is same in the horizontal pipe, but it is in a flowing liquid. The pressure is different. In area of cross section A1, the pressure is and the velocity is V1. According to Bernoulli's theorem, pressure increases, velocity decreases. Pressure decreases, velocity increases, according to Bernoulli's theorem. So, area of cross section A1 and A1 is double greater than A2. So, the velocity at A1 at pipe P is very less comparatively with C point. So, the velocity increases at C. So, the pressure decreases. The velocity decreases, pressure increases. So, A1 is double greater than A2. 3. The height of the H height so V1 and V2 be the velocities. This velocity is V2 velocity. P1 and P2 be the pressures. P1 and P2 be the pressures. This pressure is P1 and this one pressure is P2. Pressure is P2. Principle of continuity. A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. According to Bernoulli's theorem, P plus P1 plus rho GH cancel. Height of the liquid column rho GH plus half rho V square V1 square is equal to P2 plus rho GH plus half rho V2 square. Rho GH cancel. P1 minus P2 is equal to half rho V2 square minus half rho V1 square. P1 minus P2 is equal to half rho into V2 square minus V1 square. P1 minus P2 is equal to pressure difference is equal to rho GH. 2 into rho GH. Rho GH is equal to rho into V2 square minus V1 square. Rho cancel. 2GH plus V1 square is equal to V2 square. 2GH plus A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. V1 is equal to A2 V2 by A1. So V1 square A2 square V2 square by A1 square is equal to V2 square. 2GH is equal to A2 square by A1 square. V2 square into A1 square minus A2 square by A1 square. V2 square is equal to 2GH by A1 square minus A2 square by A1 square. V2 is equal to root of 2GH by A1 square minus A2 square into A1. This is the velocity. So, venturi meter is used to determine the rate of flow of the liquid through pipe, flowing through the liquid through the pipe. So, this is a venturi meter ACB. The area of cross section at A and B is the same, and the middle of the C is narrow. So, the velocity, this ACB is connected to long pipe. The velocity is at P point, V1 velocity. The velocity at C point is V2. Pressure P1, this pressure P2. So, P1 minus P2 is equal to rho GH. So, P1 minus P2 is equal to half rho V2 square minus half rho V1 square. 2 into P1 minus P2 is equal to rho into V2 square minus V1 square. P1 minus P2 is equal to rho GH. Substitute chesam. 2GH is equal to V2 square minus A2 square. v2 square by a1 square. Common factor చేస్తే v2 square is equal to 2gh by a1 square minus a2 square by a1. v2 is equal to a1 into root of 2gh by a1 square minus a2 square. ఇది velocity వచ్చి. సో ఇప్పుడు v be the velocity of the fluid. Then a1 a2 is equal to a1 into velocity av is equal to a2 v2. So a2 v2 అంటే a1 into principle of continuity. a2 v2 is equal to a1 a2 into root of 2gh by a1 square minus a2 square. అదే సపోజ్ ఒకవేళ v1 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే a2 into root of 2gh by a1 square minus a2 square. So v1 is equal to rate of flow by a1. Rate of flow v1 is equal, rate of flow means a1 a2 by root of 2gh by a1 square minus a2 square by a1. Cancel అయిపోయి a2 into. అదే v2 is equal to rate of flow by a2. అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది a1 a2 into root of 2gh by a1 square minus a2 square by a2. a2 cancel. a1 into root of 2gh by a1 square minus a1 square minus a2 square. సో ఈ రకంగా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. ఇది వెంచురీ మీటర్. వెంచురీ మీటర్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ టు డిటర్మైన్ ది రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ ది లిక్విడ్ త్రూ ద పైప్. ఇట్ ఈస్ designed by G.B. Venturi. It is based on Bernoulli's theorem. Next, applications of Bernoulli's theorem. Applications of Bernoulli's theorem. Consider a balloon. The objects such as a balloon experience a buoyant force in accordance with the Archimedes principle. The force is equal to the weight of the displaced air is called static lift. Static lift. The reason the variation of pressure with altitudes. In the case of a balloon, the pressure in the lower surface is greater than that in the above surface. So the difference in pressure exerts a buoyant force. So there is another lift is called dynamic lift. There is another lift is called dynamic lift, such as aeroplane wings. Aeroplane wings experience the wings flowing through the fluid. So dynamic lift, another example, dynamic lift is experienced by the ball is spinning in motion in air. Ball is spinning in motion in air. This is a ball. The ball is moving in air without spinning. The ball is moving in air without spinning. In case 1. Case 1, the ball is moving in air without spinning. What we observe? The streamlines around the ball is symmetric. The space around below and above, above and below the same. At point A, the velocity at A is the same. The velocity, the ball above the surface, the velocities of the above the surface of the ball and below the surface of the ball is the same. The pressure is also same. There is no resultant transverse net force acting on the ball. The streamlines are shown in the figure. But in another case, the ball is spinning in motion. Spinning in motion. What happened? Spinning in motion about an axis perpendicular to the plane of the boat. Suppose the ball is spinning like this in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. The ball is not the smooth surface that drags some air around with it. The velocities of the ball is spinning and the ball is anti-clockwise direction. The ball is spinning in motion, the ball is moving and spinning. So, the velocities, and suppose this is air moves in this direction, the ball moves in this direction. Moves in this way. And there is a drag around the ball. This velocity is Vs and this velocity is V. So our upper surface of the ball velocity is V plus Vs. Lower surface of the ball velocity is in V minus Vs. The ball moves in this direction. So, in upper surface and the streamlines around the ball as shown in the figure, there are superposition of streamlines. They are at A point, they are crowded. The streamlines are crowded comparatively with B point. B point. The velocity of A is greater velocity. That velocity is in V plus Vs. And this velocity is in V minus Vs. The upper portion of the ball has larger velocity comparatively with lower surface. So, according to Bernoulli's theorem, velocity increases, pressure decreases. Velocity decreases, pressure increases. So, the net force and the pressure difference, the net force acting on the ball. The ball is spinning in motion, experiences rotation. That effect is called Magnus effect. Did you understand? The ball is spinning in motion, the ball moves in anti-clockwise direction. The streamlines around the ball is looking like this. The upper portion of the ball, the streamlines are crowded each other. The lower portion of the streamlines are few streamlines are formed. So the velocity of the upper portion of the ball has larger velocity comparatively with lower portion. The pressure decreases in A point, pressure increases in B point. So the net force acting upon upward direction. So the ball spinning in motion experiences rotation. That effect is called Magnus effect. Next, another example, dynamic lift. Dynamic lift is experienced by aeroplane wings. Next, another case, aeroplane wings. Aeroplane wings, the streamlines of the wings. Aeroplane wings are the aeroplane wings are is a special arrangement. The wings are specially designed. The wings are like this, and the wing of the aeroplane is specially designed like this. So the wings in the aeroplane and the streamlines moving in the wing, the moving in the wing, this like this. The velocity and at A point the streamlines are close together comparatively with B point. The velocity at A has larger velocity comparatively with B point. So the aeroplane wings are specially designed. The curvature at the upper surface is greater than the lower surface, and front is shaped round, front is shaped round, and back end is flattened. Aeroplane wing is specially designed. A design ఎలా చేశారు అంటే the curvature at the upper surface is greater than the lower surface, front end is round and back end is flattened. So there is the streamlines drag is formed. The pressure at upper surface is lower according to Bernoulli's theorem. Velocity V1 and velocity V2. Velocity V1 is greater comparatively with V2. The pressure decreases and pressure increases. The difference of pressure experiences a net force. That net force is in upward direction. So the aeroplane moves in motion. That is the aeroplane wings కానీ నెక్స్ట్ అదేవిధంగా బాల్ స్పిన్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఎయిర్లో స్పిన్ అవుతున్నటువంటి మోషన్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ కూడా బెర్నౌలీస్ అప్లికేషన్ కానీ చెప్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ మనకి గట్టిగా గాలి వేస్తున్నప్పుడు హట్స్ ఎగిరిపోతూ ఉంటాయి పై టాప్స్. అక్కడ కూడా ఏంటి అంటే ఆ హట్ లోపల ఉండేటటువంటి ప్రెషర్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందో ఆ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిన ప్రెషర్ని బట్టి ఆ హట్ యొక్క పైన టాప్ లేయర్ అనేది రిమూవ్ అవడం అనేది కూడా జరుగుతుంది. అది కూడా అకార్డింగ్ టు బెర్నౌలీస్ థియరీ అప్లికేషన్, వన్ ఆఫ్ ది అప్లికేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ Next, speed of efflux. Speed of efflux. Take a tank. Tank is filled with water. The area of tank is A. There is an orifice. There is some open. Tank has open. The area of cross section is A2. This one is A1. This atmospheric pressure is P0. Velocity is V1. This velocity is V2. Velocity is V2. The liquid is falling like this. Okay. The total energy per unit volume. Per unit volume according to Bernoulli's theorem. P1 P0 plus half rho g tank height h rho g h plus half rho v1 square is equal to velocity increases comparatively with this velocity. P0 plus rho g height 0 height in kaligi undi. Half rho v2 square. P0 cancel. Rho g h is equal to half into rho into v2 square minus v1. Rho cancel. 2gh is equal to v2 square minus v1 square. ఇక్కడ చిన్న assumption ఏంటి అంటే A1 is double greater than A2. A2 తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే A1 యొక్క ఏరియా ఎక్కువగా ఉంటే వెలాసిటీ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో V1 is tending to 0. V1 tending to 0 అంటే 2gh is equal to v2 square minus 0 square. v2 square is equal to 2gh. So v2 is equal to root of 2gh. v2 is equal to root of 2gh. This velocity is the same in liquids. Liquids will attain the falling freely through the vertical surface of the vertical surface to surface from the orifice is called Torricelli's theorem. దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటే v2 is equal to root of 2gh. This principle is known as Torricelli's theorem. Torricelli's theorem. And when you freely falling liquids, velocity is equal to root of 2gh. So the velocity is the same for all liquids will attain the freely falling through the vertical surface of the orifice is called Torricelli's theorem. What is the Torricelli's formula? v2 is equal to root of 2gh. Velocity is equal to when you tank నుంచి ఫ్లో అయ్యేటటువంటి ఏ లిక్విడ్ సర్ఫేస్ కైనా వెలాసిటీ ఎంత ఉంటుంది అంటే v is equal to root of 2gh. Next, another range. Range of fluid. Range of fluid. Take a tank. This is orifice. Tank is filled with water. The water is flowing like this. This is called range. Velocity, area A. This area is small a. Velocity is V1. This velocity is V2. Velocity is V2. So range की formula ఏంటి అంటే range is equal to horizontal speed into time. What is horizontal speed? According to Torricelli's principle, what is that? Root of 2gh. The tank height is h. This height is orifice from the surface is equal to small h, and this one is h minus h. Horizontal speed means x direction. X direction root 2gh. So in y direction we calculate time. Uy is equal to 0. Uy is equal to 0. A is equal to minus g, y direction. A is equal to minus g. SH is equal to distance minus of h minus h. S is equal to ut plus half at square. అంటే h minus h is equal to uy already 0, 0 plus half into minus g t square. Minus minus cancel. 2 into h minus h is equal to gt square. T is equal to root of 2 into h minus h by g. So, into h minus h into g. So root of 2gh into time, what is the value? Root of 2 into h minus h by g. 4 into gh into h minus h by g. Gg cancels. Root of 4h into h minus h. That is the formula of range. What is the range formula? Range is equal to horizontal speed into time. Horizontal speed in x direction, what is the Torricelli's formula? Root of 2gh into root of 2 into h minus h by g. Calculate cheste em vachindi 4h into h. When the range is maximum, ఎప్పుడు maximum అవుతుంది range? When the range is maximum. Suppose y is equal to f of x అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, dy by dx is equal to 0 నేనా కాదు. సో ఇప్పుడు అలాగే రేంజ్ అనేది హైట్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది. సో dr by dh tending to 0. r square is equal to ఏమని వచ్చింది 4h into h minus h. dr square by dh tending to 0 అయితే dr square by dh is equal to ఏమవుతుంది 4 అంటే r square is equal to 4h into capital H minus 4h square. Orifice నుంచి height h పరంగా మనం డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో dr square by dh, what is the value? H value is 1. 4h minus 4 into derivative of x square 2x, formula 2h. d by dx of x square, what is the formula? 2x. సో ఆ రకంగా h స్క్వేర్ 2h. సో 4h minus 8h. dr square by dh tending to 0. అంటే 4h is equal to 8h. 4 ఇందులో 2 times. h is equal to capital H by 2. When the range is maximum, small h is equal to capital H by 2. అంటే ఇందులో హాఫ్ ఉన్నట్లయితే అప్పుడు రేంజ్ ఏమవుతుంది, మ్యాక్సిమం స్పీడ్ని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు r square is equal to 4h into h minus h. r is equal to అంటే 4 into h by 2 into h అంటే h by 2 h minus h by 2. 2 ఇందులో 2 times 2h into 2h minus h అంటే h by 2. క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే h స్క్వేర్ h r is equal to రేంజ్. ఇది h అవ్వాలంటే ఎప్పుడు మ్యాక్సిమం అవ్వాలి, h by 2 లెంగ్త్ అయినప్పుడు మాత్రమే, h by 2 అయినప్పుడు మాత్రమే రేంజ్ అనేది మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, y direction, in y direction, this is y direction. So this is in falling in water is in downward direction. So uy is equal to 0, y direction. A is equal to minus g, gravitation opposite. sh is equal to minus of h minus. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Equation of motion. సో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఏమొచ్చింది, టీ వాల్యూ వచ్చింది. టీ వాల్యూని ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాను, ఇది ఫార్ములా. r స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4h మైనస్ 4h. అయితే dr స్క్వేర్ బై dh టెండింగ్ టు 0 అవితే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, రేంజ్ h వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది, h by 2. అంటే h వాల్యూ h by 2 కనుక అయినట్లయితే రేంజ్ మ్యాక్సిమం అవుతుంది. ది రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్లూయిడ్. Next, another last topic, numerical చూడండి JEE. Orifice is in rectangle L shape. This side, this height is in y. This is 4y. Next, find the rate of fluid coming out from both orifices is the same. Then find R in terms of L. Options: A L, B L by 2 pi, C 2 pi L, D L by root 2 pi. So ఇప్పుడు orifice, this is in rectangular orifice, this is in circular orifice. This length is 4y, this length is y. This length is y. So the velocity at v1 is equal to root of 2gy. This velocity v2 is equal to root of 2g into y means 4y. according to rate of flow, 1, 2, ఎన్ని ఆరిఫిస్లు ఉన్నాయి? 2 ఆరిఫిస్. One is spherical orifice and another one is rectangular orifice. Rate of flow 1 is equal to rate of flow 2. So A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. A1 ఈ రెక్టాంగిల్ కాబట్టి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? L స్క్వేర్, స్క్వేర్ షేప్, స్క్వేర్ L square into V1 root of 2G1, and this one A2 is equal to A2 is equal to pi r square into V2 root of 2G into 4y. Pi r square. Root 2g cancel. L square into root y cancel. L square is equal to pi into, ఇక్కడ capital R తీసుకున్నారు కదా, capital R square into 2. R square is equal to L square by 2. R is equal to L by root of 2 pi. So what is the correct answer? D. D is the correct. Rate of flow at 1 is equal to rate of A1 V1 is equal to A2. This is square L square into root 2Gy. This is pi r square into area of this circle, pi r square into root of 2G into 4y. L square is equal to root 2Gy cancel 4. Pi r square into 2. Root 4 2 cover. R square is equal to L square by 2. R is equal to L by root of 2 pi. Next. This is orifice. This height is 52.5 centimeters, and this one is H. This velocity is V1. Area A. The ratio of cross-sectional area of orifice to that of tank is 0.1. Find V square. A is equal to 50 meter square per second square. B is equal to 50.5 meter square per second square. 51 meter square per second square. D 52 meter square per second square. H is equal to 3 centimeters. 3 meters. 300 minus 52.5 calculate చేస్తే 247.5 centimeters అంటే 2.475 meters. Torsalis principal V is equal to root of 2GH. 2 into 10 into 2.475. V square is equal to 20 into 2.475. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 2s are 4 into 10 by 1000. 49.5 meter square per second square. Next, A1 V1 is equal to principle of continuity. A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. A1 is equal to V2 by V1. Here ratio of cross sectional area of orifice to that of tank is 0.1 అని ఇచ్చారు. So A1 by A2 is equal to V2 by V1 according to principle of continuity. A2 by A1 is equal to 0.1. So V2 by V1 is equal to 0.1. A2 by A1 is equal to the cross sectional area of orifice is equal to the 0.1. So according to Bernoulli's principle, P naught plus the pressure of the tank is equal to P naught. P naught plus rho GH plus half rho V1 square is equal to P naught plus rho G H into plus half rho V2 square. V2 square. So P naught cancel. What is the value? Rho GH. This one is 0 orifice. So rho GH is equal to half rho into V2 square minus V1 square. Rho cancel. 2GH is equal to V2 square minus V1 square. V2 square minus V1 square. V2 square minus V2 square by 0.1 kada. So 100 V2 square minus V2 square ante 99 V2 square by 100 into 2GH. 2 into 10 into 49.5. Calculate చేయండి. V2 square value is equal to 2 into 10 into 49.5 into 100 by 99. We get the answer. Next another topic. Time taken to empty tank. This is the last topic, empty tank. A, this area of cross section is small a. V is equal to root of 2gy. So equation of principle of continuity A1 V1 is equal to A2 B2. So A1 into root of 2gy is equal to capital A into this velocity. Here height of the tank is in y. T time lo water enta flow avutundi anedi manaku the time taken to empty tank. Ante tank lo unna water ee y height ki enta particular time ki వస్తుంది అనేది మనకి తెలియదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం తీసుకుంటామంటే dy by dt. dy by dt. So a into dt is equal to a by root 2g into dy by root y. Cross multiplication. A root 2gy into dt is equal to minus a into dy గా తీసుకున్నాం. దాని నుంచి a dt is equal to t time కి ఫ్లో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ క్రాస్ సెక్షన్ గుండా వస్తున్నటువంటి ఫ్లో ఎంత ఉందో మనకు తెలియదు. సో ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ both sides. A into integral dt, t is equal to 0 to t is equal to a by root 2g constant y power minus half dy 0 to h small h. A by root 2g into x power n integral x power n dx. Formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So y power minus half dx. Y power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. Y power half by half. అంటే 2 into y power half. 2 into y power half. h to 0. h to 0. Minus ఉంది కదా. ఓకే. 0 power minus 0 minus h to 0. So calculate చేస్తే t is equal to at is equal to 2a by root 2g into 0 minus h power half. Minus minus cancel. h power half అంటే root h. 2a into root h by root 2g. Root 2 2h a 2h into a by g. To a by a. A by ag into root 2h. 2g. A by a into root of 2h by h. అది లెసన్ కి సంబంధించి మొత్తం టైం టేకెన్ టు ఎంటీ ట్యాంక్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ ట్యాంక్, వాటర్ ఈస్ ఫిల్డ్, ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ క్రాస్ సెక్షన్ ఈస్ ఏ, దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ స్మాల్ ఏ. The Torsell's principle is equal to V is equal to root of 2g. particular time ki y direction y h is equal to y అనుకున్నాం. y direction లో ఉన్నటువంటి ట్యాంక్ లో ఫిల్ అయిన వాటర్ టైం కి ఎంత ఫ్లో అవుతుందో మనకి తెలియదు కనుక dy by dt గా తీసుకోండి. a1 v1 is equal to a2 v2, a1 v1 a2 v2 dy by dt. ఇక్కడ dt అన్నది పక్కకు లాగాను అంటే టైం కావాలి కనుక మిగిలింది dy by root y. x power n dx అంటే x power n plus 1 minus half dx dy is equal to y power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే ఇది వచ్చింది. సో లిమిట్స్ h to 0, h height to 0. సో at is equal to 2a by root 2g into 0 minus ఇది 0 కదా, 0 మైనస్ లిమిట్స్ అప్లై చేస్తాను, h పవర్ హాఫ్ మైనస్ మైనస్ క్యాన్సిల్ 2a ఇంటూ రూట్ h బై రూట్ 2 క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే ఇది లెసన్కి సంబంధించి మొత్తం.